Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a post review of this huge canvas. Now, I went back and I looked in my Gem Flows app, and I received this canvas back on June of 2022, and this was a sneak peek from when Diamond Painting Shop first opened. Rosa asked me and several others to pick out a canvas to do a unboxing for her shop, and this is the one that I picked. I did not realize when I got it how big it was going to be, because this sucker is huge. This is called Moonlight Fishing, and it is by Dominic Davidson. It is a 90 by 126 centimeter, and it is licensed. Diamond Painting Shop does sell licensed artwork, but in order to do this post review, I had to put it up here on my wall, and I've just got thumbtacks stuck in the corners to keep it up there. I do plan on getting this framed though. But for the time being, this is just going to be how it stays until I can get it framed. It was way too big for my desk to do the review on, so that's why I went ahead and put it up here on the wall. Speaking of how big this is, I actually had to start like this, like, you know how your desk is sitting like this. I had to flip this thing completely around and start with this section, and then as I went, I would have to roll it until I got to the end, because going this way, the sides hung off my desk. So, yeah, this was a monster. I started it March the 15th, and I finished it yesterday, which was June the 21st, all of this year. So, it took me a little over 3 months to finish. It wouldn't have took me that long, but I was also doing a miniature kit, and, also I had to do, I didn't work on this every day because I'd get tired, but I would try to work on this one day, my miniature on another day, and then if my back was killing me, I didn't work on it. If we had stuff to do, I wasn't able to work on it. So yeah, I didn't get to work on this every day. But I'm just going to walk back and give y'all a little bit of an idea of how big this thing is. Or maybe, like, there's the floor, there's my ceiling. I mean, this thing is huge. So, I will go to my craft room here in just a second, and I will show y'all what I had left on the drills and everything. This did have, I think it was 3 crystals and 4 or 5 ABs. I don't remember. We'll have to go look. But there are ABs in the flowers, and I know that my lighting is not great in here either. But as you can see, we've got 2 geese, and then you can come over here and we've got some ducks right here. We've got flowers, we've got driftwood. Let's see. We've got the canoe. We've got 2 dogs on the pier. There's a lounge chair. And then you've got the cabin. There's another lounge chair sitting up there. There is an arch right here with flowers growing on it. We've got the pickup truck. I can't quite tell if that's a Chevy or a Ford, but it kind of looks like a step side, or what we used to call a step side truck. And then you got a guy right here in a boat, and he's fishing. You can see he's got a yellow shirt or jacket on and a hat, and he's he's fishing. And then if you go look up there, we have got some ducks or geese there. We've got some geese here. Then we've got the mountains. And then we've got moon. So yeah. It is gorgeous. And I will show you right here in the chair. There are some clear crystals. There's some clear crystals in this chair. There are orange ABs just all over the place. In the cabin, in the canoe, in the water, the flowers. So it's just scattered. There are some green crystals also somewhere. Right here. We have green crystals in here. Now, I didn't add anything else because I just figured it had enough. Plus, it's so big that this is the biggest canvas I've ever done. So I didn't want to mess with it. This is supposed to be the black crystals, but they were not crystals. They were just regular drills to a point. I don't know if y'all can tell, but anyway. And then, like I said, there's flowers here in these bushes, and there's just scatters of ABs in these. This was so much fun to work on, I will say. The only issue that I had was like right in the white. There was no guide circles or anything. It's just that if you didn't put the drill on there, you could just kind of see through the pink and the white. Because I'm not perfect, and I don't claim to be a perfect drill putter honor person. But anyway. And then I also had one bag of drills of the ABs that were stuck together that I had to use a doohickey with to try to separate them. That did not work very well. But yeah, there's a little dude in the boat. Alright, I'm going to step back again and give you a full view. See if I can get it to where the glare's not on it. Alright, I'm going to pause, and then you will meet me in the craft room, and I'll show you what I had left of the drills. Alright, so we are back in my craft room. Thank goodness, because that thing is so big. The way I had my arms, it was killing me. Some glue on that. Alright, so here is the picture. This is the stats. All this stuff. Right there is a website that you can go to. And then there's the diamondpaintingshop.com. Again, I'll leave all of that in my description box. So, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and what, 1, 2, 3 crystals, I guess. Alright, so I'm just going to take these out of here. And y'all forgive me because I have this in my hand. And then I have all of these. Alright, so let's see. This was one of the ABs. Let's see. Oh, I had another one. Yeah. I don't think there was any in that. Alright. And then we had alright, this was one of the crystals. Another AB. There's a crystal. There is a crystal. I had a green AB. Alright, so I think that was all of the ABs. Let's see. Let me put this down. Maybe y'all can see this a little bit better. So, I did not run out of nothing. And I know in one of my videos, one of my whipping chats, I said I was scared to death because the canvas was so big that I was scared to death that I was going to run out of something. But I never did. Look at all of those that are left. All of those were left. So, this was one of the crystals, which is just a clear crystal. If y'all can see. Maybe I shouldn't have turned it on. Yeah, this is better. So there's one of the crystals, clear. And then we have this green crystal. And then this was considered, like I said, a crystal. I don't know why. Where am I at? But, yeah. And then we had this AB. This is the one that was all stuck together. There's still some stuck together. We have the red. And then we have yellow. A yellow. So, these were what was in the flowers and the bushes. Like, in here. And then it was also in the boat, or in the canoe. It was also in the cabin and the water. The black, the only thing that was in was that strip on the canoe. And then these two were just sporadically thrown in. This green was in that ivy archway that was on the porch. And the clear was in that chair that's sitting on the pier, and then that chair there. So yeah, that was the picture. Yeah, the light sucks. So I am completed with it. I am excited that I am done with it. Now, I don't know what to do. If I want to take a break. My video shut off. So, I don't know if I want to take a break for a couple of days and start on a miniature, or kit up like a little 30 by 30 or a 30 by 40. I know I am not going to do anything large for a minute. So yeah. So, anyway, I enjoyed this. And Rosa, thank you again. You've probably forgotten all about me. But I will leave a link in my description box for her and her shop. And then I'll, tag her in this video so she knows she didn't just give away a canvas for nothing. I mean, it did take me a couple years, but I did do it. So, alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I would very much appreciate it. I'm inching my way to 1,000, so yeah. So, alright. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has had a marvelous week, and we'll see you in my next video. Hope everyone has a good one. Bye, y'all.